So check this out, guys. You know I had it out to Monteith. They redid the front end on all that for me, so it drives real nice. And they did my door pins in here. Well, I put the Polk audio speakers in here, and while I was doing that, I tried the mirrors. The mirrors aren't the right size, guys, in the corner, so I need different mirrors. The ones I have, the Lambo mirrors, they won't work, so I need another set. But I did get the Polk audio speakers in, and I redid these door panels. Check this out, guys. I'm going to show you how nice this open and close is now. We'll get you flipped around, and I'll let you check out the door here on the Blazer. It was jacked up, guys. It was bad, but now it's right. So check this out. I'm going to go ahead and start it while we're here, guys. If it'll start for me, come on. There we go. These doors love the lock. It's so bad, but look at that, man. Opens up so nice. So nice. Let's get in once I shut this door. See, the handle's not falling apart. The door's not falling apart. Shut so much nicer, guys. So much nicer. Man, that's how it should be too, guys. Good deal. Nice, nice. Real nice, guys. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. I love it, guys. That's what it is. I want to show you guys that. Keep on trapping. Make sure to like, follow, share, all that good stuff. And we will see you in the next clip. Later, guys.
We stand out like bird shit on a black shoe.